In this lesson, I'll show you how to sketch an equation with three variables. The first question reads, sketch the graph of 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 12. What we have to do this is represent this equation, which has three variables, as f at x and y. And the way we can do that is by solving for z. So let's try to solve for z, where we have this term and this term moving to the other side. 12 minus 2x minus y all over 3. Now once you've solved for z, you want to find each intercept at the x, y, and z axis. To find the x-intercept, what we will do is set y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Let's go ahead and solve for x. If I substitute 0 into here, this becomes 0 is equal to 12 minus 2x minus 0 over 3. Multiplying both sides by 3 clears the denominator, where we have 0, 12 minus 2x, bring that 12 over, minus 12 divided by negative 2 gives us what x is equal to, and that's positive 6. Therefore, we have a point at 6, 0, and 0. Let's go ahead and plot that. I'll call this my z-axis, this my x, and this my y. So my first point will be at 6, 0, and 0. Next, I'll try to find my y-intercept. And to do that, I'll set x is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. So once again, 0 is equal to 12 minus 2 times 0 is nothing, minus y over 3. Clearing the denominators gets rid of this 3. And therefore, I have y is equal to 12. So I have another point at 0, 12, and 0. This means that it will be somewhere here. Now I need to find my z-intercept. To do that, I'll set x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Z is equal to 12 minus 2 times 0 is 0, minus 0 over 3. Therefore, z is equal to 4. My next point is at 0, 0, and 4. I'll plot that, and it appears to be somewhere here. If I connect these points with a straight line, I should end up with a plane, a 3D plane that looks like this. That right there represents my sketch for question number 1, and for that particular equation. Let's move on to question 2. In question number 2, they want us to sketch the graph of x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal to 49. Now, if you recall, if I did not have this z squared here, you would have x squared plus y squared is equal to 49. And if I square root that 49, I would end up with my radius as 7. So I would have a 2D shape of a circle with the radius of 7 centered at the origin. But now we have z to the power of 2. The z to the power of 2 suggests that instead of being a circle in 2D, it's actually a sphere with the radius of 7. So I'll have a point right here at 0, 0, and 7. A point right here at 7, 0, and 0. And of course, a point right here at 0, 7, and 0. And similarly, I would have one that's equidistant here, one that's equidistant here, and here, giving me a sphere. And this is the best I can do to show that it's spherical. And there you have it. 2 examples on how to sketch an equation with 3 variables.